My name is Lindiwe Kwele. I'm the Deputy City Manager for Strategy Development and Implementation, City of Tshwane, South Africa's capital.
Okay, well, good morning and thank you very much for joining Breaking Travel News today. We're here at ITB, onto the final day of the show now. Just tell us a little bit about what you've been up to this year.
It's been a very successful event for the City of Tshwane specifically because we were able to meet up with lots of trade partners and also a media, European-based media, where we were able to really explain to them what Tshwane means, because historically the city has been known as Pretoria, which is the South Africa's capital, but also just to try and educate trade about what the city has got to offer, because at the core of the South African history is the capital in terms of its history, in terms of its heritage, as well as the sporting offering that it offers as a destination, but more also golfing courses. But also we're able to inform them that we actually are the only city in South Africa that can actually boast a wildlife. We offer the Big Five in the middle of a city, and obviously by virtue of our landmass, which makes us the largest city in terms of largest city in the continent in terms of landmass and third largest in the world after New York and Yokohama. So we have so many offerings in the city, and that's where the largest diamond was discovered in the city of Tshwane in Pretoria, and also the heritage, the struggle history, the Voortrekker history, as you know, that we were colonized by the Afrikaners back then. So in terms of our historical evolution of the country from the colonialism to the struggle, and also the emancipation of our people where there's social cohesion. As you can see, the backdrop of Nelson Mandela behind the Union Building, which really tells a story through the spatial and the built form of the city. So we believe we have a very rich product to offer to the people of South Africa and the continent, as well as the rest of the world. So it was such a success for the city, yeah.
How about looking forward to this year? Are there any events you're particularly keen to or excited about over 2015?
In the city of Tshwane, we are actually now a member of European Tour. We are a host of the Tshwane Open, which starts this year on the 12th of March to the 15th of March this year. It's been a very exciting one because obviously through the partnership with the European Tour, we are able to expose the city brand across all the partners in terms of some of the tours that are happening. There was a Joburg Open, now it's us, and then there'll be roads to Dubai. So that also gives us an impetus to really promote ourselves. And obviously there'll always be other art event, and as a city of sport, we call ourselves a city of sport as well, because the Blue Bulls, which is the biggest rugby brand, is based in our city, as well as 4 clubs that are playing in the professional soccer league in the city. We also boast a high performing center where all the sporting athletes around the country, around the continent, when they want to train for Olympics and everything, our city is the ideal location for that, because we have the relevant infrastructure. And also from a knowledge perspective, I mean, we boast 80% of all the research institutes in our country. So we are the smart city. We always boast ourselves in that regard. But all in all, I think, again, one of the important things, we have the second largest embassies outside Washington, D.C. So we have an international stature within the city because of the international community that coexists with our own people. So we are really a diversity in that regard, and we always celebrate our diversity. So I think the greatest asset that we have as a city really is our people. So as a capital, we mirror a South Africa that belongs to all who live in it, a unified and inclusive South Africa. And some of our open spaces, they actually express that. And it's something that we really want to showcase to the rest of the world.
Okay, well, plenty of food for thought there, and thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.